Here we have a 2017 BMW 530e M Sport, finished in this lovely graphite metallic paintwork that you can see, and really does look superb from every angle. We've then got four 19-inch alloys, unmarked and unscratched, in perfect condition, with the M Sports calipers just behind, finished in blue. Coming around to the front, we do have a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, and there's a look at that front profile. Coming around to the side, we've got the second alloy wheel just here, as you can see, excellent condition. We've then got some M badging, as well as a black side skirt, privacy glass for the rear, and black trim around the windows with the shark fin antenna on top there. We've then got some eDrive badging, and as you will see from the port just there, this vehicle is a hybrid, so you will have very low running costs when driving this about. At the rear, we've got the spoiler lip just here, as well as a rear diffuser, you can see just there. We then have both front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, and we've also got a very good sized boot, as you can see just here. Very spacious. The vehicle will also come with the charging cables, of course. Close that up. At the side here, you'll notice the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and here's a look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go on to the interior, starting at the rear, you'll see we've got full Napa leather. We've got a fold down armrest just here with two good sized cup holders just there. We've then got ISO fixed points in the back, and here's a look at those seats. These are really incredible seats, very comfortable. Now behind the front passengers, we've got some storage just here. We've then got two 12-volt connection points, as well as some additional storage and vents. On the doors here, we've got the brushed metal handle with the gloss black, and the leather trim with the contrasting stitching, electric window control, and some additional storage down there. If we come into the front then, we've got this full Napa leather interior again, and these seats really are incredible. Incredibly comfortable headrests and lovely stitching throughout. And these seats don't only look amazing, they're also electrically adjustable, which we step inside after the wind. The seats are electrically adjustable, like you've just seen there, and these are memory seats as well, so you can assign different positions to both 1 and 2. And to make it even better, they're also massage seats as well as heated. So on those cold mornings, you can have a massage with your heated seats and be in extreme comfort. Also on the door, we've got some more storage just down here. We've then got the brushed metal handle with lock and unlock buttons, as well as electric windows and electric wing mirror control. Moving around, we'll start the car up, foot on the brake. Very quiet with it being a hybrid. We'll just wait for that to all kick in. As you can see, there's no warning lights on the dashboard, and the vehicle has covered just over 59,300 miles. On the right here, we've got our auto lights. We've then got a multifunctional steering wheel with speed limiter, cruise control, and different controls like phone, volume, voice controls, as well as mode. We've then got our paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the vehicle. We've then got auto wipers, as well as this digital display just here. I'll show you this in action. So we do have different driving modes with this car. Currently in Eco Pro. We've then got Comfort, as well as Sport, and as you can see, this display does change depending on the driving mode you are in. Very nice feature. We'll go back into Comfort. Now in the middle here, we have got our infotainment screen. As you can see, we've just got our driving mode there. If we open up media, you'll see we've got different forms of media connectivity, including Bluetooth, USB, CD/DVD, FM or DAB radio, as well as online entertainment. We can also have, yes, DVD or CD. Now we've also got phone communication, so we can connect our phone up to this to either listen to music or make phone calls. We've then got the ProNav system as well, as you can see just here. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have the front and rear sensors with visual display. There we go. Now another nice feature that this vehicle does come with, if we go into my vehicle settings, lights, interior lighting, we do have lots of different options for interior lighting. You can't really pick it up in the daylight on camera, but at night time this looks absolutely incredible. We'll keep with blue. Now moving down, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts and volume controls. Moving down, we've then got our dual climate zone controls, so you've got air conditioning as well as dual climate, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. We've got heated seats for both front passengers, and then down here we've got two good sized cup holders with USB connectivity and some additional storage. We've then got our gear stick just here, so we can take manual control with this as well, so when we're in drive we simply push across and then can change down or up a gear like so. Back into park. We've then got traction control, sports, comfort, eco, pro, different driving modes as well as e-drive, and a button for our parking sensors, electric handbrake with auto hold, and our control wheel just there as well. We've then got this leather armrest just here, which also doubles up as storage. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and is also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. The purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with a steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. I'll also talk through some of the vehicle's functions and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off, we've got our paddle shifters, so I'll demonstrate some gear changes. We're currently in 7th gear, down into 6th, down into 5th, back up to 6th, back up to 7th, and now into 8th gear. And as you can tell from my body movements and the surroundings outside, completely seamless transitions, no jerky movements, no awkward sounds, no knocks, no bangs, working exactly how they should. We've then got cruise control, which I activate by pressing cruise and then flicking the trigger up, and we're now cruising at 56 miles an hour. To deactivate this, I'll simply press cancel or put my foot on the brake and we're back to normal control. I'm just going to slow down for this roundabout here while we're taking a left turn as if you were here with us today. This vehicle is packed full of useful goodies. We've got heated and massaging seats, as well as an electrically adjustable steering wheel, digital display on the dashboard. We've got the Pro Nav, multiple forms of connectivity for the infotainment system as well. Really high-tech vehicle, and of course it is a hybrid, so you will get low running costs when driving this about as well. Now at RS Car Sales we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. We have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly now to make them contactless, and what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, basically just to ensure both your own safety and ours. We are a 5-star dealership as well at RS Car Sales. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would come back to us in the future or recommend us to your friends and to your family. Now I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also show you that the reverse works as it should. And now you can also find us on social media. We're on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to keep up to date with us there for all the stock we get in and what we get up to. Now emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, very sharp brakes. Got me by surprise with it there. Put it into reverse, we've got our visual display of both front and rear sensors, and obviously reverse works exactly how it should as well. Now this is where you'd usually be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation. However, do get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle. And if there is anything we've missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this test drive, then do get in touch. One of the team would be more than happy to walk around the car with you on FaceTime, answer any specific questions, show you any specific components, and really just show you what the car has to offer. But until then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.